what's up, Sami here. Long time no see, I'm still alive, not affected by this nasty coronavirus. Anyway, as you probably noticed that most of the information of the Mi 10 series phones has been revealed in the past week, but there are still some interesting things about it, and now it's time to give it a check. Again, special thanks to my partner iPhone Tech. Please go and check out. Without further ado, let's get started. Mi 10 Pro features a 6.67-inch hole punch screen. Not sure if that's your type. I feel okay, but just the gap between the hole and the bezel is a bit wide. I strongly suggest you hands-on offline when you got a chance to decide whether you like it or not. Now, about the 90Hz refresh rate. It's pretty darn good, just smooth. However, the resolution is only 1080p, as most of the flagship phones feature 2K. Is that a big bummer? Please leave your comment in the comment section. The panel also supports 180Hz touch sampling rate to minimize input lag, which is not only good for your daily use but also for gaming. I guess it's useful to those high-end players, not so big difference to me as I'm not a gamer. On the back, Mi 10 Pro adopts age etching process. The color is plain but feels really well made. The phone is heavy, I gotta say, and it's big when you hold it. That's because it has extraordinary camera module and other hardware inside. Let's dig into that. Mi 10 Pro is maybe the first Snapdragon 865 phone you can buy now on the market. It scores more than 560,000 points by Antutu benchmark. The single core scores over 900 and the multi-core scores over 3000 on Geekbench 5. As this is a brand new SoC, so we compared it with Korean 95G, and here are the results. And now for the gaming experience. We use PrefDog to record all the data during game test. We tested two phones under the highest graphics. The results really astound me. Two phones are stable and smooth. Hard to say which one is better, but overall, I guess Mi 10 Pro outperforms Mate 30 Pro 5G phone for the temperature side. The hottest part of Mate 30 reaches to 40 degrees, mainly focused on the camera's area, where the hottest part of Mi 10 Pro is 38 degrees, mainly in the low area of the camera. Mi 10 Pro features LPDDR5 plus UFS 3.0, which means it can process 44 GB of data in 1 second, theoretically. For more about LPDDR5, you can do a search on Google. Basically, it's made for 5G era, more powerful, faster speed, and lower consumption. A must-have for the future 5G phones, which feature high refresh rate, a high-end camera, 5G, AI those. We also tested the data transferring speed on these two phones. The Mate 30 Pro 5G features the same UFS 3.0, but it takes more time. The speed for Mi 10 Pro boosted to 700 megabits per second, while the Huawei 400 megabits per second. That means Xiaomi saves almost half the time. Also, for app storing, Xiaomi is faster. For the battery life, Xiaomi 10 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh battery. It also has a staggering 50-watt wide charger, which enables you to charge from 0 to 75% in only half an hour, while fully charge needs 51 minutes. For all of the data based on the prototype I have, maybe there will be a slight difference for the official unit. I will do this test again when I have a chance in the future. For the camera, Mi 10 Pro is unbelievable. It sports a 108 megapixel main shooter along with 5x zoom telephoto lens, 12 megapixel portrait, and 20 megapixel ultra-wide lens. We really want to show you more of the pictures, but again, as we mentioned, this is a prototype and the camera seems not tuned very well. We're still waiting for the newest firmware. Please follow us on my other social media platforms and we'll release samples once available. Mi 10 Pro supports 8K video recording, but it doesn't come with any stabilization for this resolution, so it's impossible to use that in the handheld mode. But when we look at the resolution solely, it's awesome. But I gotta warn you, you really need a good computer to process the 8K video footage. I cannot even view that on my 16-inch MacBook Pro. Of course, I will upload the original footage of that. Please subscribe. For others, Mi 10 Pro comes with fully symmetrical dual speakers and it increased loudness by 100%. At the music testing might cause a copyright issue, I cut this part out and suggest you go to iPhone Tech Bilibili channel to check out. Link in the description. To my surprise, it comes with linear motors. the touch feedback is not bad. As you probably noticed, Mi 10 Pro has Wi-Fi 6. It's insane fast. It's capable of achieving a top speed of 9.6 GB per second, but to do that, you need a Wi-Fi 6 router first. So that's the video. I gotta say, Xiaomi has tried its utmost to provide the best possible phone. It has amazing hardware and excellent software using experience. But the price is not going to be very cheap. Anyways, what do you think about this phone? Please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm Sami. See you next time.